Principles for candlestick analysis in trading. Principle number 1. The length of any wick, either to the top or bottom of the candle, is always the first point of focus because it instantly shows strength, weakness, and indecision, and most importantly, where smart money enters. Principle number 2. If no wick is created, this signals strong market sentiment toward the closing price. Smart money active there. Principle number 3. A wide body represents strong market sentiment, and a narrow body presents weak market sentiment. A narrow body with a heavy volume of either smart money observing for the continuous move or smart money entering in the opposite direction. Principle number 4. A candle of the same type will have a completely different meaning depending on where it appears in a price trend. Start of the trend or middle of the trend, end of the trend, at support or resistance, or in the consolidation phase. Candlestick should analyze the context of the move. You should never try to read the market by looking at one day's action in isolation. Read the market phase by phase and then read the latest day's action into the phase. Principle number 5. Volume validates price. First, see what candlestick is telling, then validate by volume. Is it validating or not with the candlestick price action? Principle number 6. When a particular time frame doesn't make sense, then move to the next higher time frame for the big picture or lower time frame for the microstructure of the move. How to study candlestick in trading summary. Studying candlestick patterns is a critical skill in technical analysis that can provide insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. Here's a step-by-step approach to learning how to read and interpret candlestick patterns. 1. Understand the basics. Candlestick anatomy. Each candlestick typically represents one trading day and consists of a body and wicks or shadows. The body shows the open and close prices, while the wicks show the high and low. Color coding. Candlesticks are usually colored to reflect the price movement. A common scheme is red for a closing price lower than the opening, bearish, and green for a closing price higher than the opening, bullish. 2. Learn single candlestick patterns. Doji indicates indecision when the opening and closing prices are virtually equal. Hammer and hanging man. Small body with a long lower wick, indicating a potential reversal. Inverted hammer and shooting star. Small body with a long upper wick signaling potential reversals but in the opposite direction. 3. Explore multi-candlestick patterns. Bullish engulfing. A small bearish candle followed by a larger bullish candle that engulfs the previous one, suggesting a potential upside reversal. Bearish engulfing. The opposite of bullish engulfing, indicating a potential downside reversal. Morning star and evening star. A 3-candle pattern that reverses the current trend. 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows. Multiple consecutive long-bodied candles of the same color, indicating strong momentum in the direction of the color. 4. Study the context. Candlestick patterns don't occur in isolation. Their significance is greater when they appear at key support or resistance levels, trend lines, or Fibonacci retracement levels. Volume is also important. Patterns confirmed by higher volume readings are more reliable. 5. Practice pattern recognition. Use historical charts to practice recognizing candlestick patterns. Most trading platforms offer tools to help with this. Some traders find using flashcards or apps designed to drill pattern recognition is helpful. 6. Back testing. Once you're familiar with the patterns, back test them. Look at historical data to see how the stock price moved after the patterns appeared. Understand the success rate of each pattern and under which market conditions they are most reliable. 7. Start with a simulator. Use a trading simulator to practice trading with candlestick patterns without risking real money. This can help you understand how these patterns play out in real-time market conditions. 8. Integrate other analysis forms. Combine candlestick patterns with other technical analysis tools, like indicators and oscillators, to confirm signals. No pattern is foolproof. Combining candlesticks with other analysis techniques can help validate your trades. 9. Keep learning. Candlestick patterns are just one part of technical analysis. Expand your knowledge to include chart patterns, technical indicators, and wave theory. Stay current with any new research or methodologies in technical analysis. 10. Apply risk management. Always apply proper risk management when you start trading based on candlestick patterns. Use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Understand that candlestick patterns indicate probability. 11. Reflect on your trades. Keep a trading journal documenting the candlestick patterns you trade, the context, the decision-making process, and the outcomes. Regularly review your journal to learn from successes and mistakes. Candlestick patterns can be a powerful tool in a trader's arsenal, offering valuable insights into market psychology. However, they should be part of a comprehensive trading strategy with sound risk management practices and continual education.